All right, we're at the U.S. Nationals. It's Friday morning. My class run, I ended up missing 5th gear. So I'm going to take the transmission out and change the 5th gear faceplate and slider. We're going to be using John Calver's trailer to pick the car up so we can do this a lot easier and working on the ground. All right, we got the trans out. Used John Calver's hoist. We're ready to split it apart and see what's wrong with it. How these are torn up. Right there. It's all rolled over and torn up. Yeah, see how that one's torn up there? That one don't look bad, but that one's torn up. Well, let's just look at a few more of these. Yeah, that one's torn up. Yeah, these. So, okay, so we got the main shaft and the cluster. It's got a handcuff holding together, so we just lifted the whole thing out of the case. And we're gonna get some snap ring pliers and pull all this and this off. Then we can get to the slider and the faceplate, replace them, and put it back together. Don't worry about that. You don't see that.
Let me get on the other side.
No, just hold it.
Want me to just push the button now?
It's on. No, it's on.
Okay.
Just aim it. It's recording.
I got you right in the center here. Taking off the. That's a bearing, ain't it?
Yep.
Don't ask questions. Just give the answers. Just hold it. Don't say a fucking word.
Okay. Let's. We'll pick this up. We gotta pull this off. Lay him down there.
Yep.
Okay, that's the back side that goes on.
Yep. Goes towards the snap ring. That one comes off. Get this one down here. Goes to that one. Get the slider off. Goes on top of here.
Slider there.
Yep. You know the snap ring or no? Yeah, right. No, that gets slide off. No, okay.
Oh, that was the faceplate, right? Okay, now the slider. Okay. I'll just hold on to that.
Yep.
I'll go get a new one. Oh.
Aim at this right here.
Right
As you can see how this is all worn out.
Yeah.
All of this is all worn out. It's not supposed to be like this. We'll show you the new one and what it's supposed to actually look like.
All right.
Help these and make sure they look. Yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah. Okay. So now show them the new faceplate.
So here's the new faceplate.
As compared to the old ones.
It's nice and clean.
Yep. Okay. All right.
Set that down.
That one goes here.
Right there. Okay.
Yep.
Let me get a new.
New slider. Everything else looks real good. Very good.
Okay, here's the new 4.5 slider.
Compared to the old one, you can see the rounded off edges.
Yeah.
As compared to the brand new, to give it correct bite and hold.
All right, let's
Slide this back together.
hold that on for me. Okay, a little more. Right there. Okay. That. Then we
This.
Yeah, this.
This.
Okay.
This. So.
And this has got to go on here. That's the old one.
Lift. So.
Okay.
Bearing goes on that end.
Let's put this in.
Yep.
Okay. So the bearing in.
There it
Okay.
goes.
All right,
There it
cool.
goes.
Tight fit. Perfect fit.
Okay, so now
Okay, you can't. You're in too far. So, the things. Let it go.
All the.
Yep. Yep. Okay.
Can we just pop it in there?
Sounds like it clipped in.
Ah, there we go.
Okay.
Okay, it's in. Cool. Okay.
Oh, you want to get some lacquer thinner and stuff in order?
Yeah,
to
let's get
clean the
lacquer thinner and clean all that
I
up.
don't know where that's at. Get it.
All right.
So we just dropped this back in here.
Oh, that looks a lot better.
Okay, that was it. Now,
For the other side. There we go. Turn this puppy like this and get the whole thing. Boy, that one's going in easy.
he's a little short on the end. We just had to
Give
put
it-
some
give-
silicone in there.
A
Yeah.
little more stone there. That's all.
Little
All right, so let's put silicone on the ends,
What ends you want to go to?
like here.
Yep.
And we got to fill some in there because it's a little gap here. Yeah, put it on the middles too.
just a drop, that's all you need. Just a little drop.
I mean thin.
I'll back up. How many passes you think you got on them gears?
I don't know.
Quite a few?
We're gonna start keeping track.
No, not. I fixed this thing at St. Louis.
Last year.
The last time. No, the year before last.
Oh, year before, okay. Didn't Robin give you some parts or something?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, Robin, he's a good guy. Definitely when
Okay.
it comes to that.
That looks pretty good right there.
No, but I was prepared this time.
Take me along.
Oh, that's coming off pretty good.
Yeah, so this deal will cover this first one, so
Yeah,
we
yeah.
don't need to put it back there.
There's a seal in there too, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. There's a seal on the input shaft.
Yep.
We don't need it. Let's put this back together. You can do this while I'm doing this.
There we go. There we go. Straight. Oh,
You got that side down too quick.
Yeah, I know. I jacked.
no, that looks good now. It looks pretty good. How about
No,
you,
we're,
Joe?
no, we're not lined up somehow. We're not flush. There you go.
Yeah,
now we're
well, yeah,
Screws.
it's still sealed up at the crack here.
good. Yep. Got a little squirt here, squirt there. Corners are squirting a little bit. Okay. Let's get
There
the
you go.
Let's get the fasteners in there.
Impact on.
I don't know. Wherever you left it.
Right here.
Yeah.
Go to this one.
Yep.
Cross. There.
There you go.
There.
Crisscross.
There.
We're tightening up a wheel.
Ahead. Putting the head
Want to do
on.
this one?
Yeah, but they're 9/16.
Okay.
And then should we? Let's get a torque wrench.
Okay.
And we'll torque.
That one on the opposite side didn't go down, George.
There.
Up there. Top corner, it's still up like an eighth of an inch.
Ah. Okay.
That's down now. Oh, at least they clouded up a little bit.
Yeah, you'll need a half-inch drive sockets for that. A 5/8, a 9/16. Oh, there you go. Yeah, you
Can I just do an adapter?
Yeah, that'll work.
Okay. Where do you want it? Where do you want them at?
7/16 bolt. What do you torque back there? I can never remember.
I work
So
40, 45.
These are 35, so 45. So put it on 45 to start with that one. I'm gonna go find the tail house.
It's right outside right there.
Different sizes on each side?
Yeah.
That's weird. Seems like they'd be the same size.
Okay, 9/16, 35, 40.
9/6.
9/16, so good.
So those are 3/8 bolts. So 35.
Yep.
You got everything you need to get all.
Yep. I think we're all set.
If you come across something or need something, let me know.
All right. Thanks, Patrick.
Down, I got all that good stuff, so.
That's pretty light.
All right.
Go tighter than that. Look. It's a small one. Small one. Need an extension for that one.
What size you need? This, here we go. Should be about right now. Yeah, right there.
Put that in there. And
Come on, click. Whoa! I don't know if it clicked or slipped off.
go ahead. Move it up. Yep. Got it.
Should be clicking here. Yep. Back ones are them big, these 9/16s, ain't they?
Use the mallet. Here. Take the mallet. Snap it in.
No. I gotta smack it out, not smack it in. I want to try to pre-fit just to make sure we're not binding anywhere. The thing is definitely right there. Everything's got a nice little squirt of stone.
Okay. And you did the 9/16 of the.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So that's good.
Just wipe that puppy down when you already put that one on. Now, which way? Which way?
Like this.
Or is this the top of the point? It'll pop out if it don't feel right. That's pretty good, George.
All right. That's good. That's good. Cool. Cool. All right.
There we go.
Much better.
Easy. Get this down here.
Okay. Roll it over that way. So get in there. Okay.
There you go.
Let's torque this
Torque them up.
to 45. Yeah.
45. There we go.
One more time.
Okay. And then that last one there, let's
Gotta roll it back.
Roll it, keep rolling.
All right, hold the table down. There we go. There we go. There we go. 45. 45.
candlestick.
That's what they call it, the candlestick?
So Frank Liberty called it.
Oh, okay. Candlestick.
Okay. Stone.
Mr. Silicone at his best here. Almost, Joe, almost.
Let's put a little bit of,
Okay.
A little dab would do ya?
let's put a dab on each thread.
Just if the trisome comes out.
Okay. Yep. You're good.
A candlestick, eh?
Yeah.
No Allen sockets?
No, I couldn't find one. Not the size I needed anyways.
Bet you Larry's got one. We don't need them. We're alright. Just snug them up good. You can always put a little extension on there and torque it if you want.
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to push the pressure?
There. Yep, that motor mount. Okay. That's it. Trans back together. We're just putting the motor mount on it.
Alright.
We're going to put some fluid in it, and we're going to take it back over to John's trailer.
Zip zap it up.
Yeah.
They're gonna. Alright, taking a break. Turn it off.
Yeah.
It's going back in. Got to rebuild. The George and Joe show. Now we're going in John's trailer with the hoist. Here we go. Probably bump my.
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Here's the hard part. Snare up.
Good. Now, very careful roll. All right. Everybody hold on. Ready?
Slowly but surely. It's gotta go around this puppy.
There we go.
Here we go. Slowly.
Okay, right there. Right there. That's too far. Okay. Let me start pumping.
Start pumping?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ralph, you be a pumper.
I'm a pumper.
Come towards you a little bit, Georgie.
All right, just tell me. Ready?
Come on. Yep, keep coming. Keep coming. You're good. Okay, honey. We're giving you new high gear. I need you to participate.
All right, you're steady.
All good.
I felt a wobble. Just a wobble.
Just try not to hit that throw-up bearing with the input. Just try to get it so it
So close in it.
gets right in the middle of it.
Hold on. Whoa. I think we're about there. Maybe a half pump.
A half.
Half.
I'm going slow.
Okay, what can you see here? George, get the light.
Yeah. We're looking
Good.
good. Yeah, take it real slow.
Okay.
Inward.
Yeah, push on the bottom.
Okay, push down here. Ready?
Yeah.
Inward. Slowly. How we doing up there? I heard something click.
Come up a half a hair. Up. A little bit more.
Yeah, try to get it up
A little
on
bit more.
on the studs up
A
there.
little bit more. A little bit right there.
Okay, the studs.
On this side.
Okay, how about the
Take the tail shaft, come towards you, George. Up just a little bit more.
Up?
Yeah.
How about that?
Keep more. Come on. A little bit.
Morning going
Right there. That's good.
inch at a time.
Yep.
Okay.
I think that's it.
Like we have to go back or something?
There we go. There we go.
Okay, yeah.
Yep, there it is. Come on.
Up a little bit.
Just a smidge. Let's see. Yep, we're there. Done. In. Screws. Quick.
I got one, hang on! Ah, right here!
Lock washer one.
Oh, yeah, you got a goddamn ear now.
Fucker, hell yeah. Hell fucking yeah. I like that she goes like that. That's fucking smooth.
Yeah, well, it's almost as bad when you don't go like that the way he's
twist
squishing
it
around
around.
with me.
A little tiny bit so I can get this
Alright,
started.
next up about it now.
Watch up against it?
Yeah. Yep. We're up there. No, we're almost all the way through. When you tighten it is? When you tighten it, it'll be all the way through. Where's the other one? Lock washer. Get that right up on her face.
In the bucket. Always in the bottom.
Lock washer.
We still got to get up against the bell, however, don't we?
Oh, it is. We're all the way in.
Alright. Good. So you guys got it, huh?
Yep. You gotta get with the 5/16 to get them things out of there. Don't really come up there stuff nothing.
You guys couldn't do it without me.
Hey, Ralph.
Every extra hand helps,
It's three
man.
people to do it. I mean, we needed your help to run this jack, pump, and get it up in there. One in the back, one in the front.
And the video playing, Larry.
And the video goes on.
Larry!
Hey, buddy.
I've been watching this operation since you guys picked it up.
Yeah. You're quiet, man. You're like a mouse.
Right in there, man.
You having a good time with that?
Absolutely. Watching you guys is the most fun I've had all day.
They do get pretty funny every now and then.
Oh, yeah.
You should have seen George dancing in the other trailer.
Yeah, we were. No shit. Towards 11 and 11 and 5. It's the wrong way. Oh, it's broke. It's broke. It's fucking broke. It's fucking broke. Damn, George, how the fuck are you yanking on this motherfucker? It's fucking broke. I mean, it's broke. Fuck. Who the fuck would get one of those? Ask those guys for one. That got a shifter with it? We need a lever.
I noticed I broke my lever too. Here, what's up?
This transmission.
All right, so turn it so we can see the crack in it. Yeah, so we were putting it all back together. The trans got freshened up, but as you can see, there's a crack, and we actually tried to push it back together, but it's wasted. But wait a minute, we keep going out of the view. Yeah, it's this part's wasted. But Jimmy ran over to Jim Schaechter, and he had another one was almost identical. We put it in. It just didn't have the offset, but we put it in, and it looks like it'll work. Linkage moves real good and doesn't grab anything, so it's the best we can do, and I think it's really going to work. So we'll go take a look at it before we drop it off the hoist. Okay, so you can see this one doesn't have a bend in it, but if you look, this thing moves nice and free. It doesn't catch anywhere in here. So I'm saying it's going to work. Let me pull it back. There we go, back into neutral. So yeah, I think that's going to work. All right, cool. Okay, we just got the car off the hoist, and we're going to go make a little drive, make sure everything's okay.